Hey guys, welcome to LZH project. My name is Salman Francis and this is VoIP edition of our LZH project and part 4 of our VoIP video series. So in today's video, we are going to set up IVR or interactive voice response system on our Elastix and Elastix PBX. And basically IVR is computerized greeting, and it is a way to direct calls to the right departments or right person. So let's start, but first we should know a few things. In order to set up IVR, we must have system recording, and let me show you first what do I mean. So okay, so here is our Elastix server. Let me log in. Okay, so first we should know that system recording is not available. Like for IVR, there is a default system recording, but I'm not convenient with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my very own system recording. Rather, I have already done that, but I'll show you how to create such step by step. Okay, so first, in order to create a system recording, you need to go to this PBX, and over here you can just scroll down and over here you can see that system recording. Click. Okay, now there are two ways basically to record. One is with your soft phone or with your phone, and the other alternative method is by recording on your computer with the specific encoding, and then you can upload that file to this server. So I have chosen second method because my soft phone was not able to record it properly. So what I did is I have recorded this greeting method, or this IVR or system recording, sorry, on my computer, and then I have uploaded it on the server. And to do that, I have used this software. Let me just a minute. Okay, I'll show you the software. Here it is. It's called Audacity. And Audacity, why I use Audacity? Because simple recording is not sufficient, and it doesn't suffice for our requirement. Because let me show you that. Over here you can see that it requires a PCM encoded 16-bit at 8000 Hertz, and it should be in WAV format. And a very important note, that it should not be in stereo. It took me almost 2 hours to figure out this. Well, sometimes it happens. So it should be mono. Okay, so let's go back to that software over here. So what I did is I selected this projected rate from here, 8000. Then I chose, like, first you need to record something, and then from over here you click on this, select this mono, and then select the sample format to 16-bit PCM. Okay, and once you are done, what you need to do is you just go to file and export that that audio to your like, you can name it anything, and it will save onto your computer. Okay, once it's saved, you need to go back to your server, and then you need to choose this file, and you need to select the file which you just exported or saved on your computer. Click upload, give it any name, let's say my system recording or something, and then click save. Okay, so I have already done that. Here are my two recordings. this recording was in stereo and it gave me error, like I was not able to listen to my IVR, and that's why I then recorded it in mono, and it worked perfectly fine. So that's a word of caution, that please do not forget to record it in mono. Okay, once you are done with that, what you need to do is you need to go to this IVR section. Okay, then you click here, add a new IVR. Then you can give it any name and then the description. From announcement, you will select your currently created IVR, or the system recording, sorry. Okay, direct dialing, you can enable it, but I have disabled it. Like, you can enable it, so people, if they know the extension, they can directly dial the extension. Okay, now the main thing is, these things are as per your requirement, you can set them up. Okay, so what will happen if somebody dials an invalid destination? You can just take him back to IVR and select this IVR. Okay, and then what happens if the timeout destination, then you can take it to IVR again. Okay, the most important thing is this IVR entries. Why? Because you need to make sure that what will happen when the person selects 1 or 2 or 3 as per your recording. First, let me show you, or you will hear my IVR and then you will understand it properly. Okay, so let's go back to system recording. Okay, so this is the one I recorded, and you can hear it, how it works. I know my voice is not that good, but for demo purpose it's fine. Come on, play. Okay, it's not working from my Chrome browser, it works with Firefox, but I can play this over here in Audacity. Okay, let's play. Please don't be frightened with my voice. Okay.
Welcome. You have reached itpings.com. For sales, press 1. For technical support, press 2. For main menu, press 3.
So sales, for example, then you add it here. To press 2, again select extensions, select the other extension. Okay, and then what you are going to do is you will just click here submit. Okay, if everything goes good, you will see on the very right hand side such extensions, such IVRs. So these are my, let me show you my IVRs. Very simple, like the IVR name, it pings, mono of it pings, like this is the description. You can add anything, you can write anything. From here I have selected this, my announcement, direct dial, yes it's possible, and some options. And over here, when they will press 1, it will go to sales department. When they will press, anyone will press 2, it will go to support, and 3 will bring them to main menu. Okay, that being said, so what we need to do is we need to make sure that our extensions are there. Of course they are there, but I just wanted to show you. Over here, sales and support, and sales have extension basically 100, and we have already, like I have already set them on my computers. Let me show you. here is one extension, and this is basically extension number 200. This is support. Here you can see, okay, this is extension 200, which is support, okay. And over here, just a minute, yeah, this is basically extension 200, 100, and I'll just show you. Here you can see that this is username 100, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to dial pad. This is on a separate machine actually. It's not on my virtual machine. This is on my computer. So they are totally on different computers actually. This is on a virtual machine, this extension 200, and this is on my real PC. So let me show you how it's going to work. Okay, yeah, one more thing I would like to mention here. To simulate an incoming call in Elastix, you have to dial 777, and now it reminded me one more thing which I totally forgot, that we needed to set up inbound routes. Okay, first let me show you that. Okay, once you are done with this extensions, now you go to over in PBX section here, inbound routes, and here we need to define our DID number. DID stands for direct inward dialing, and whenever you sign up with your SIP provider, they provide you one number. It's called a DID number, and with this number people can call you, okay. And then you can transfer the calls to via IVR to different departments. That's how call flows. Okay, so I have already created one DID. You can see here all calls. Okay, so what does it mean? That any call, you can name it any call or all calls or any incoming call. You can call it anything. Okay, and then you're going to leave it as it is without typing anything, because if you have a DID number you need to write it here, but if you don't have one at the moment, I don't have one and I want to simulate the call, so I'm just going to leave it blank. Okay, next, go down, go down, go down, everything is okay. This is the main thing where we need to make change. Click here, select IVR. What does it mean? I'll just explain you in a moment, and my IVR is this. So what it's saying is inbound, like incoming call. Any call which is incoming, doesn't matter what kind of DID I have, what kind of caller ID the number has, doesn't matter. It should go to my IVR. Okay, I can select here an extension also, but since I am just interested in IVR, I'm just going to select IVR, and what IVR I have already selected my IVR2. Okay, so then you click submit. That is the main thing of this DID. You can see my own DID. Its name is all calls, and then at the very end it's saying IVR is when this DID somebody calls me, go to IVR, and the IVR is, it pings -IVR-2, which was the mono one. Okay, so that's been said. Let's go to our phones. Okay, where's my phone? Okay. Okay, here's my phone. So to simulate incoming call in Elastix, you will type 777. And how do I know that? Again, you can go to these feature codes. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. here, simulate incoming call. If you don't have a DID number, you can simulate it for testing purpose. Okay, so 777 and call.
Welcome. You have reached itpings.com. For sales, press 1. For technical support, press 2. For main menu, press 3.
Okay, so if we remember that our technical support is extension 200, and that is the reason if I am going to call back, let's call.
Welcome. You have reached itpings.com. For sales, press 1. For technical support, press 2.
I'm going to press
For
2.
main menu, press 3.
All working. So everything is working, and it just started shouting, echoing. So that's how you set up IVR, and I hope this has been informative. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like me on Facebook. It's facebook.com/LinuxKing77. And now you can reach my YouTube channel directly. It's youtube.com/C/Linux King. So thank you very much. If you guys have any questions or if you have any queries, please don't hesitate to send me a mail or write a comment. Thank you.